So today we're going to look at this trans alkene towards bromination. So as you well know, we're going to have our bromine coming from the top as we look at it. So we're going to attach our bromine once it plays the game. There we go. So you're going to get our bromine like that. And the reason why we've chosen the red bromine, we've got 3 lone pairs. So now we've got an sp2 hybridized carbon, and then we've got a lone pair here. So that lone pair is going to push on over, as we can see, to the carbocation in this diagram. So we're going to get that as that. So now we've got our bromonium ion as from the top as we look at it. So if I just rotate it just to let you know. And then we're now going to have our second bromine attack from the bottom or face down here. So obviously this is going to break this. And the reason why I'm going to move the hydrogen up to this is because we're attacking from the bottom. So we're pushing our hydrogen towards us. And then, so I'm going to put my second bromine on there. And I'm just going to get rid of that because we don't need it anymore. And you can now see, so when I rotate it in such a way that the kind of carbons are kind of in a zigzag formation, we can see that this bromine on my left is towards me, and this bromine on my right is away from me.